Welcome, today we're going to show you how to activate your Pi wallet. So, first thing, you need to create an account and have been waiting for a long time, like 30 days or something. You need to just keep starting your Pi coin for 30 days. After that, you will be eligible for the KYC activation, as see from here. So, first, you need to ensure your identity verified via the Pi network KYC process, as I already said. So, you must be either fully KYC verified or tentatively KYC verified. So, this step verifies you are a valid user and is necessary to access the mainnet ecosystem. If not already done, initiate the KYC process within the Pi app. So you need to open Pi Wallet in Pi browser as see from here. So you need to open the wallet as see here's the button. After that, you need to click on Activate Wallet. Also, you can try to use third-party KYC for non-users. So if you are not yet a current Pi user but desire to join the Pi universe, you are able to construct a mainnet wallet by proceeding with KYC via supported third-party providers like Banksa, and upon verified status, you can now experience Pi utilities. But remember, this is just wallet building KYC, not complete Pioneer migration. So you can just start your wallet. It's very easy method. So the hardest thing is to verify your KYC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.